Hello everybody. Today I am going to say Newland law of octaves. That is in the chemistry subject. In the previous video we have discussed about Daubernier triad. The triad means group of three elements. Now here by the given title we have to know some of the basics here. That is Newland. He is a scientist who modified some of the periodic table of the Daubernier. He proposed the law of octaves. Law. He has implemented a property. He has proposed a law over the periodic table, Newland law of octaves. Here, oct means 8. The number oct means 8. Newland law of octaves. It means he proposed the 8 elements similar. Now let's discuss his law, that is property. Law. He states that the properties of the properties. There are many properties of many elements. Example nitrogen and carbon examples. They have properties like they are metals like gases. Properties of first and eighth. First and eighth element is same. He proposed that properties of the first and eighth elements are same. First and eighth elements are same. That is excluding the noble gases or inert gases. By the formulas we can write here. That is, you have to start the periodic table with H. Then you have to leave off helium since it is the inert gas. Write lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Neon is an inert gas since we have to leave off. So neon we have left. After that sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, and the 16th element, that is sulfur, chlorine. 17th element, it is chlorine. Argon, it is a inert gas or noble gas. So after the argon, that is 19th element, potassium, it is denoted K, and the calcium Ca. Write 1 to 20 elements excluding the inert gas or noble gas. That is, here we will get helium, neon, argon. In the 1 to 20 elements, we will get 3 inert gases or 3 noble gases. We have to exclude them or remove. Now, by the law, the properties of the first and eighth elements are same. So, think this is the first element and remaining 7 elements you have to give the gap, and next choose the eighth element. That is H, it is 1, and the atomic number 8 is oxygen. So, this is eighth element here. First element and eighth element from here. Its properties are same. By H is a hydrogen, it is a gas. Oxygen we can write as O2 or O, anything. It is also a gas. Like this, the properties are same for the Newland law of octaves. Another example will take lithium and sodium. Think lithium as a first element and 7 elements you have to give in the gap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After fluorine, neon will come. That is the 7th element. We have to exclude the inert gas. So after 7, the Na, that is sodium, will be 8. Li and Na, both are in first group elements. 1A group. Both the lithium and sodium are in the first A group elements, and both lithium and Na are metals. These two are the metals and belong to the same group, that is first A group. This is about the law and its proof. Now let's discuss the Newland law of octaves limitations. While conducting the experiments, like which elements are same, which two element properties are same, he faced some limitations, Newland. Now let's discuss that limitations. First one is the law is applicable only up to less atomic weight. Law is applicable to less atomic weight. Less atomic weight means the elements which are having the less atomic weight, their atomic weight is less. This law can be applicable. Now second one, it is applicable only for the calcium, up till calcium, due to the presence of D block elements. This rule is applicable only for the calcium, that is first 20 elements excluding 3 noble gases, because it is applicable only calcium due to after that D block elements are present. D block elements are present. And the third one is he has faced one of the limitation, that is in the second one we have discussed calcium, that is D block elements, but in the table that is we have discussed below, there are no inert gases. After the discovering of the inert gases, this Newland law of octaves was dropped. After the discovery of the inert gases. After the discovery of the inert gases in the periodic table, there is a droppment of the Newland law of octaves. That is example, we have taken H. If the inert gases are discovered, then here helium and the oxygen will not be here. It will change the position and the neon also will be in the table. Due to this, there will be exchangement or replacing of the elements. That is, first and 8th elements are not getting the same properties in few elements. These are the limitations. And that too, the rule is applicable only for the calcium element due to presence of D block element. Calcium element due to presence of D block elements in the periodic table. This is about the Newland law of octaves and its limitations, and his limitations. Thank you.